The topic we're tackling today is destroying engines at an alarming rate. Cold start mistakes. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, come on, it's just a cold start. How bad can it really be? Well, let me tell you, these seemingly innocent mistakes can literally shave 15,000 to 25,000 miles off your engine's lifespan. And that's no joke. I've seen it happen time and time again. Engines that should have been purring like kittens for years meeting an untimely demise, all because of a few simple cold start blunders. But fear not, my friends, because today we're breaking down the 5 biggest cold start mistakes that are killing your engine, and, more importantly, how you can avoid them like the plague. Mistake number 1. Revving a cold engine. I can't tell you how many times I've seen people jump into their car and immediately rev the engine when it's stone cold. Before you think, what's the big deal? It's just a little rev. Let me explain what's happening inside your engine. When your engine is cold, all the metal components, like pistons and cylinder walls, are smaller than they should be because metal expands as it heats up. These parts are engineered to work at operating temperature. Revving a cold engine forces those cold, contracted parts to slam against each other, almost like a boxing match inside your engine. That rattling noise you hear? That's piston slap, and it's your engine crying for help. Repeatedly doing this can lead to scored cylinder walls, worn piston rings, and repair bills that'll make you wish you never touched that gas pedal. What to do instead? Start your car, let it idle for 30 to 60 seconds to get the oil circulating, and then drive gently to warm everything up evenly. Mistake number 2. Letting your car idle for too long. Here's one that might surprise you. Letting your car idle in the driveway for 10 minutes to warm it up sounds harmless, right? Actually, it's doing more harm than good. When your engine idles cold, it runs rich on fuel. That means excess fuel seeps past the piston rings and dilutes your oil. Plus, idling warms your engine painfully slowly, sometimes taking 15 to 20 minutes to reach operating temperature. By that time, who knows how much damage has already been done? What to do instead? Start your car, wait 30 to 60 seconds for the oil to circulate, and drive gently. Light driving warms your engine faster and avoids the issues caused by excessive idling. Mistake number 3. Using the wrong oil viscosity. This one's often overlooked, but it's a big deal. In cold weather, oil thickens and flows more slowly. If you're using the wrong viscosity for your climate, your engine isn't getting the lubrication it needs during those first crucial seconds after startup. Think of it this way, your oil pump is pushing thick, cold oil through tiny passages. Until the oil fully circulates, metal-on-metal contact is happening, and that's a recipe for disaster. How to fix it? Always use the manufacturer's recommended oil viscosity for your climate, especially in winter. And remember to wait 30 to 60 seconds after starting your car to let the oil circulate before putting any load on the engine. Mistake number 4. Shutting down too soon. Starting your car, driving a short distance, and shutting it off might seem harmless, but it's actually a big mistake. Here's why. During short trips, your engine doesn't get hot enough to burn off the moisture and unburned fuel that naturally build up in the oil. Over time, this breaks down your oil and causes internal corrosion, leading to long-term damage. How to avoid this? Plan your trips so your engine has time to reach operating temperature. If you're only driving a short distance, consider walking or combining errands into one longer trip. Mistake number 5. Driving hard right away. Here's a classic mistake. Starting your car and immediately driving like you're in a race. This is especially damaging for turbocharged cars. When your engine is cold, it's not ready for high RPMs or boosts. Pushing it too hard too soon puts unnecessary strain on your engine and reduces its lifespan. The right way: drive gently and keep your RPMs under 2,500 until the temperature gauge is in the normal range. For turbocharged cars, wait a bit longer before hitting boost. So there you have it, the 5 biggest cold start mistakes that are killing engines and how to avoid them. These small changes in your routine can make a huge difference in your engine's lifespan. Have you ever made any of these mistakes? Share your stories in the comments below. I'd love to hear them. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips to keep your car running without breaking the bank. Take care of your car and it'll take care of you. Keep those engines purring, my friends.